Oh boy, look at that perch, folks. Jeez. Isn't that a beaut? Look at that coloration. Have you guys ever seen anything like that? Isn't that wild? It's a bluegill. Look at the size of that monster bluegill, guys. Oh, that's a stud fish. Stud fish. Hey, calm down, big old boy. Holy shnikes. Hey folks, welcome back to Trinidad Outdoors. This is our first video of 2022, so Happy New Year everyone. I hope everyone's safe and healthy. I thought it might be fun to share some of my favorite bird pics that I've taken from over the years. So here's my top 15 in no particular order. I did try to spread the birds of prey out through the entire video because those are my favorite. So yeah, if you happen to know what these birds are, please leave the number down below in the comments and let us know what species it is, the common name, maybe any other information you can share with us. Some of them I do know, some of them I don't know. So if you can help me learn, I'd sure appreciate it. And yeah, it's pretty amazing. So I hope you enjoy the video, and